We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.